All right, folks, welcome back. This is the ICT Mentorship Daily Log Entry for March 11, 2021. 15-minute time frame on dollar, euro dollar, and cable. All right, here's the dollar index on the 15-minute time frame. And the annotations are here. All right, so we had a continuation on the weakness on dollar. So dollar found further declines on the London close kill zone. In sync with the higher time frame, went back below the weekly gap opening. Small little Judas swing here. Again, when we get into the commentaries this weekend, I'm going to show you the kill zones that answer for this, okay? But just note how we're seeing all these signals form just ahead of the kill zones. Now, New York, we had a little bit of a retracement back up in. Prior to that, though, we have overnight decline, fair value gap in here in London. So there was your setup for London. Sells off, consolidates ahead of ECB. ECB sends it lower initially, then higher. Optimal trade entry and a bearish order block on the hourly chart. So I'll counsel you to go out to your hourly chart and you'll see the bearish order block over here. And in London close, optimal trade entry, continuation on the higher time frame, trade lower and running for the sell side liquidity below the lows. All right, euro dollar, 15-minute time frame. All right, here is the euro dollar 15-minute time frame. Note the low of the day is ahead of London open kill zone. Order block trades into it here. I would have rather seen that trade down into it in London session. That would have been a better setup, but nonetheless, it was early, and we'll talk again about that this weekend with the kill zones. Order block here extending out in the future. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Consolidation, buy side liquidity pool building up in here. So we see ECB drops initially, then sends it for the buy side liquidity and then rejects, trades back down into order block, optimal trade entry, rallies, and attacks the buy side liquidity here. Small little fair value gap in here, trades after noontime and sends it a little bit higher. This level here is the bearish breaker on the daily chart. Now, ECB rate announcements, that's the central bank level. I made a post on my community tab this morning. No one is going to know. I'm not going to know. No other author, no other educator is going to know what the central bank's going to do when they release data like that. Okay, it's just impossible. You have no idea what they're going to do. Even if the news comes out bullish or bearish, they could reprice against that undertone. So again, you're gambling. But nonetheless, you can see some of the technicals here line up with this. British pound versus US dollar, 15-minute time frame. This is our blank chart. All right, so we have that 60-minute SIBI, sell side balance, buy side inefficiency. Those levels are being shown here. The premium level high and the discount low. Midnight, we have a Judas swing. Trades onto the bullish order block here, cleans up some sell side liquidity, rallies again, comes back down into the rejection block right there, hits it, rallies again, comes back down into the order block once more. Shallow little run, small retracement in, rallies, turning point in New York open kill zone, and then again London open kill zone in sync with the higher time frame, weaker dollar, higher foreign currency. Trades up in, sweeps a couple different times on that 60-minute SIBI premium high. The weekend commentary, I'm going to give you a homework assignment there. So it'll be at the end of the teaching. We will be going forward with more refined education and less of the, all right, here's where it's going to go next. and this is what I think is going to happen here. Some of you are not going to like that. Some of you are going to feel like it should be still included. But I'm already doing more. Okay, I'm already doing more. And when it's important to do so, I'll prompt you about things in the marketplace. But again, I don't want you forgetting the fact that it takes a lot of time to make these videos. And I have to do multiple renditions of it. So it's not just a matter of me doing one video and then I'm done. I have to do the video. I have to edit it. And I have to edit it in a way that's 25 different small little subtleties that I have to have for every user group here. Okay, so it's a lot of work. And if I don't do the lessons and I only focus on this stuff, this is the kind of stuff, and we'll get better at talking about what's going to happen once everybody's a charter member. That will allow me to be more free with speaking because we'll have the lessons behind us, and it'll be easy for me to just say, this is what you should be focused on, and then you'll know what to look for. But that is the community aspect. Once we get everybody through into charter level, it's going to be much more relaxed and a lot more discussion, and I want to spend so much time teaching so much. I won't end teachings, but I want to spend all the time doing it, okay? I think that's going to be it. Real short and sweet, like I promised. I will catch up with you guys tomorrow for our Friday daily log entry. And until I talk to you then, be safe.